What's up everybody, welcome to It With Fusco. My name is Keith. Today's video, I'm going to look at this, a carbon monoxide alarm, and how to test it to ensure that it's still working, like the batteries are working and the batteries are charged up. So this one here, this is a Fire Angel carbon monoxide alarm. Now you have this button here, which as you can see, if I just around, test. So what you're going to do is sometimes people just, well, I don't know if you saw that, but the light flashed, so that's a sign that it's alive as such. But some people, when they just press it like this, it doesn't seem to do anything. So what you need to do actually is to hold it down. As you can see there, it's made a beep. So then you hold it down again. And when you hold that in, that ensures it's a test to make sure it works. With some of them, the carbon monoxide alarms, when you hold it in to do a test, it'll beep, have a short break, beep again, have a short break, and then beep once or twice after that. And then that's just to make a test to make sure the batteries are in and that's still operating. Hopefully that helped you. If it did, please let me know in the comments below. But until next time, see ya.